In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Chrome desktop shortcut. This simple and handy tip will allow you to access your favorite website directly from your home screen without having to open your browser first. So let's get started. First things first, let's fire up Google Chrome. It doesn't matter if you have it in full screen or window mode. Just ensure the browser is open. Now, you're going to want to start with a new tab. So, if you haven't already done this, click the small plus sign next to your current open tabs, or you can simply press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This will give us a clean slate to work with. Once your new tab is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll find your profile icon, which typically looks like a circle and can have your initials or a small picture, depending on how you've set it up. Go ahead and click on your profile icon to bring up a drop-down menu. Now, in this menu, you'll spot an option labeled Customize Profile. Click on that option to move forward. Upon clicking Customize Profile, a set of options will appear, giving you the ability to toggle and adjust various settings related to your browser's appearance and behavior. Scroll down through these options and take your time to familiarize yourself with all the tweaks and settings available. Keep scrolling until you find an option labeled Create Desktop Shortcut. Now, this is the key to our task. Once you've located Create Desktop Shortcut, simply toggle it on by clicking the switch. It's as easy as flipping a light switch, and you'll know it's activated when the toggle changes color or position to indicate it's on. With that done, you can now close the browser. You can click the X button on the Chrome window or use Ctrl+W if you're one for keyboard shortcuts. Once the browser is closed, navigate to your desktop. Scan through your icons until you spot the new shortcut icon, created precisely with the steps you just followed. And there you have it, a brand new shortcut sitting right on your desktop, ready to whisk you away to your preferred site with just a double click. No more typing in URLs or sifting through bookmarks. Your website is now more accessible than ever. This shortcut not only streamlines your internet browsing experience, but also saves you precious time. Whether this is your first time creating a shortcut, or you just needed a quick refresher, I hope this guide has been informative and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out more of our tech tips and tutorials in our other videos. Happy browsing!